Hi, in this video we'll learn how to download the latest version of LibreOffice for free. So first of all, you have to just search for LibreOffice, which is LIBRE Office, OFFICE, and then you will be shown multiple results. Just click on the first result, which is the non-ad one. So this is not the ad, this one is ad. So click on this and then you will see this kind of page, and as you can see we have this option to download. LibreOffice 7.2 is here, or alternatively you can just click on this download, and then here you can click on download LibreOffice. So these links can change but the top links won't change, so always choose that. And here you will be shown different options or different versions of LibreOffice which you can download, and here you can see the operating systems which are supported by LibreOffice, so you can pick any of these. So since we are using macOS, we will be using this one, but if you are using Windows then you can download the 64-bit version of LibreOffice, or you can use the Linux version of LibreOffice as well. DEB is for the Debian based operating system, so Ubuntu, Debian, and then RPM is for Fedora, etc. So you can just click on it and then click on download, and then the installer will start downloading. So it won't ask for any personal details, it won't ask for money, etc. But if you wish to donate some money, you can donate through here. This is entirely optional, but it's always nice to give back to the developers, because they ensure that the software is up to date and is regularly maintained. So just click on the installer. It will take a while to open because it's a little heavy file. It can be about 300 MBs. So LibreOffice is the free alternative to Microsoft Office suite, which includes the Excel, PowerPoint, Word, etc. So LibreOffice is also a suite of softwares which includes a spreadsheet software, a document software, a presentation software, having names as such as Impress for presentation, um, and there are others as well. So right now what we are doing is we are copying the files and we are opening the file. So we are replacing the existing one, but I think it's already in use, so we'll be closing the old one, and then we'll be just dragging it, and now it will just replace the existing one, and that's what we want. So 741 MBs is the size of that software, which is this suite of softwares. It will take 2 minutes, and here we are having this verifying LibreOffice. Not sure why it is taking so much time, but LibreOffice is extremely powerful software and fully functional, as much as the Excel is, but Excel is paid, or Microsoft Office is paid. It costs you about $100, so around that, while LibreOffice costs you zero. So it's nice to use LibreOffice because you are not paying anything for it, and it's safe, it's fast, and it works great for CSV files as well. If you are a developer, CSV file is something which will be opening very regularly, so LibreOffice is great for that. And you can make good spreadsheets presentations using LibreOffice. There's a alternative of LibreOffice, which is OpenOffice, because LibreOffice is based on OpenOffice, so you can download that as well. But I think LibreOffice is best maintained free open source software, so it would be very nice for you to choose this and explore it more. And if you have any questions around LibreOffice, please leave a comment on the video, so that we can make more videos covering those issues which you are facing. So it will take a minute more. Now that the software is copied and has been verified by macOS, now we can just open it. And this is how the latest version of LibreOffice 7.2 looks like. So we are having Writer, Calc. So Writer is for creating documents, just like Microsoft Word. Then we have Calc spreadsheet, which is similar to Microsoft Excel. Then we have Impress presentation, which is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And then we have drawing, math, formula, and base database, which is just like MS Access. So you can click on Writer document to see the the document creator software of LibreOffice. So the interface is like this, and if you close it, you can open the Calc spreadsheet, which looks like this, just like the Microsoft Excel. And if you close this, you will see different options. You can click on Impress presentation to see how the interface of its Microsoft PowerPoint like interface for creating the presentations. So it has all the features similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So these three softwares will be frequently used by anyone who was using or who intends to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So this is how you do it. You can close it and see the Start Center, which lists all the details as well as all the recent documents which will be listed over here. So yes, this is how the LibreOffice is downloaded, installed, and used. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.